Lennox Error Code 240 indicates a failure or malfunction in the outdoor fan motor of your Lennox HVAC system, typically an air conditioning unit. This motor is crucial for circulating air over the condenser coil to expel heat. Seeing this code means your AC's cooling efficiency is compromised and the system might shut down. The outdoor fan motor is the heart of the Lennox system's cooling process. This single-phase AC motor powers the condenser fan, circulating air to release heat from the refrigerant. The motor relies on a capacitor, typically ranging from 5 to 10 microfarads, to provide the necessary starting torque. This electrical component stores energy and helps the motor overcome initial resistance when starting up. The motor uses specific wiring configurations, including main and start windings, to create the rotational force needed for operation. Error code 240 activates when the system detects specific electrical anomalies in the fan motor. These include low voltage, which can prevent proper starting, high amperage indicating excessive current draw, or a locked rotor where the motor cannot turn. Capacitor failure is a primary trigger, often caused by age or electrical stress, leading to insufficient starting power for the motor. Common triggers for Error 240 include capacitor failure, which disrupts the motor's starting mechanism, wiring issues such as loose connections or corrosion that interrupt electrical flow, relay malfunctions that fail to engage the motor properly, and physical obstructions like debris that jam the fan blades. Wiring issues often stem from corrosion or loose connections in the electrical panel, which can be seen in aging systems. A locked rotor occurs when the motor's rotor cannot rotate, often due to mechanical failure or overload, triggering the error code. These components work in harmony. The capacitor assists the motor's startup, wiring ensures reliable power delivery, relays manage electrical switching, and an unobstructed fan allows proper airflow. When any component fails, the motor cannot function correctly, leading to Error 240 and potential system shutdown. Begin diagnosis by checking your thermostat or system display for the error code. This initial step confirms the presence of Error code 240, indicating the outdoor fan motor issue. Next, visually inspect the outdoor unit for bent fan blades or obstructions. Look closely at the fan and surrounding areas, clearing any debris that could prevent proper operation. For electrical testing, use a multimeter to check the motor's continuity and capacitor function. Test voltage, resistance, and continuity to identify faulty components. Remember safety first. Always disconnect power before servicing any components. Discharge the capacitor using a screwdriver to prevent electric shock or injury. In many cases, around 40%, a failed capacitor is the culprit behind Lennox Error Code 240. Replacing the capacitor is a relatively straightforward fix. Make sure to get the correct capacitor for your unit, matching the specifications like voltage and capacitance. We'll show you how to safely replace the capacitor, emphasizing safety precautions like discharging the old capacitor before removal and wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. If replacing the capacitor doesn't resolve the Lennox Error Code 240, the next step is to inspect the wiring connections. Look for signs of corrosion, which appears as green or white buildup on the wires, or loose connections where wires may be disconnected or poorly secured. Use the system's wiring diagram to trace the electrical path. The outdoor fan motor is typically connected through colored wires, red for power, black for ground, and others for control signals. Check continuity with a multimeter to ensure no breaks in the circuit. Next, examine the relay that controls the outdoor fan motor. The relay acts as an electrical switch, activating when the system calls for cooling. Listen for a clicking sound when the relay engages, indicating it's functioning. If the relay doesn't click, inspect its internal components. The relay contains electrical contacts that can become burned or stuck, and a coil that may fail. Use a multimeter to test for continuity through the relay contacts. Wiring and relay issues may require more advanced electrical knowledge. Always disconnect power before inspecting, and if you're not comfortable with these steps, it's best to call a qualified HVAC technician to ensure proper repairs and safety. The future of HVAC diagnostics is moving towards smart systems with integrated diagnostics. These advanced units can monitor themselves continuously and provide real-time feedback to prevent issues. Newer Lennox units feature self-healing motors that can automatically reset minor faults. This capability significantly reduces the occurrence of error code 240 by addressing small issues before they escalate. AI-driven predictive maintenance uses machine learning to analyze system data and predict potential failures. This technology aims to preempt error code 240 and other issues, allowing for proactive servicing instead of reactive repairs. These technological advancements are fundamentally changing HVAC maintenance. Instead of fixing problems after they occur, technicians can now focus on prevention and optimization, leading to more reliable systems and lower costs. Let's examine real-world examples of error 240. In a Florida retrofit, salt corrosion on outdoor wiring triggered recurring codes. The homeowner replaced damaged connectors with a corrosion-resistant motor kit, stabilizing the system and preventing future issues. This case demonstrates how coastal environments accelerate component wear. Next, a New York apartment complex faced widespread errors after a grid surge. Voltage spikes damaged multiple units' control boards. Lennox technicians implemented firmware updates and added surge protectors, resolving 85% of issues and drastically reducing downtime. This highlights the importance of surge protection in multi-unit installations. Finally, a Department of Energy audit of older Lennox units revealed 240 codes from obsolete capacitors. Upgrading to modern equivalents eliminated the errors and reduced energy costs by 20 to 30%. This underscores the benefits of replacing outdated components in aging systems. These examples illustrate how environmental factors and system age contribute to error 240. Proactive maintenance and upgrades can prevent costly failures and improve efficiency. Experts from organizations like ASHRAE view error code 240 as a manageable issue, often resolvable with simple fixes like capacitor replacements. Dr. Sarah Klein notes that educating users on annual cleanings could prevent 50% of occurrences. Lennox's VP of Engineering emphasizes that future designs will embed diagnostics to make this error a relic. Statistics show significant improvements in motor reliability. Lennox's mean time between failures has increased from 8 years in 2020 to 12 years in 2026 due to new materials. The average repair cost is $350, with 65% of errors occurring in units 5 to 10 years old. Global HVC motor failure rates stand at 8 to 10% annually. To prevent future failures, implement preventative maintenance, including annual cleanings and inspections, addressing issues promptly, using newer motor designs, and scheduling professional tune-ups at least twice yearly. Regular maintenance can reduce occurrences by up to 50% and ensure efficient operation.